Puppet Show!
I'm Puppy Dog. I'm a Dalmatian.
I'm a green bird thing. Woo! I'm a green flamingo. Yeah, that's what I am. I'm good.
We have a lot of stuff to do today. Want to learn what it is, kids?
Well, I don't think they're kids. They're people. Puppy Dog.
Oh, sorry, people.
Oh, my head sucks. We're having technical difficulties.
Do you
Around my neck.
Ah!
Since you recognize it's just about respect. How the clothes I wear and where I go and why. It's that you get.
Bye, kids.
Thanks for watching the Puppet Show.
Woo!
Dirty pop. Sick and tired of hearing all these people talk about what's the deal with this pop life and when is it gonna fade out. The thing you got to realize, what we're doing is not a trend. We got the gift of melody, we're gonna bring it till the end.